What is the real 9Anime website?
Hello everyone! Today we're going to delve into a very popular, yet somewhat confusing topic, the real 9Anime website. Given the numerous clone websites, identifying the authentic 9Anime site can be a daunting task. Don't worry, we're here to assist.
What is 9Anime?
First, let's get a basic understanding of what 9Anime is. 9Anime is an online streaming service that lets you watch a variety of anime content. It's gained popularity due to its expansive library and easy-to-navigate interface.
The issue of clone websites.
Now, the crux of the issue is the presence of many 9Anime clone websites. These are websites that mimic the original, often with the intention to trick users into providing personal information or clicking on malicious links. This is why it's crucial to know the real 9Anime website.
How to identify the real 9Anime website?
Unfortunately, due to policy restrictions, we can't directly provide the exact URL of the real 9Anime website. However, here are a few tips to help you identify it. 1. Check the design and interface. The real 9Anime site has a distinctive design and a user-friendly interface that you'll become familiar with over time. Most clone websites fail to perfectly replicate this. 2. Assess the library. The original 9Anime website boasts an extensive library of anime. If the site you're on doesn't offer a wide range of shows, it's probably a clone. 3. Look at user reviews. Other anime enthusiasts may have discussed the authentic website in forums or on social media.
Stay safe online.
One final note. It's essential to remain vigilant when navigating to any streaming website. Using antivirus software, a reputable ad blocker, and being cautious about the information you share are all key to a safe online experience. That's all for today. We hope that you now feel more confident in identifying the real 9Anime website and can enjoy your favorite anime securely. Remember, when in doubt, always prioritize your online safety. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.